Hi, resident builder Peter Wolfkamp, and today I'm on site looking at this, well, pretty impressive renovation with Jared, the homeowner. Now, you had to make some choices. You had a requirement in the resource consent for stormwater detention. What's that?
Well, we need to control the rate at which stormwater comes off our property.
Yep.
And so we were required to have a 2,000 litre tank for that. So we had to consider a solution for that. The initial solution was to have a tank on the wall, on the outside wall.
Yep.
That was not an ideal solution. We don't really want to be looking at a tank in our backyard, which is going to be looking quite nice. So the second solution we considered was putting a tank in the ground in the backyard.
It's a big hole to dig. Yep.
Very big hole, and that's exactly what the drain layer said.
Yeah.
While we were discussing that, I happened to turn around and look at the big gap sitting underneath underneath our house.
Yep.
And so grabbed a tape measure, got some measurements and did some research, and that became a pretty obvious solution.
And perfect location for the fat sands in there. Probably, I'm looking out here, this is going to be a deck, so you're going to pick up stormwater from here.
Yep.
Obviously getting that into a taller tank would have been a problem, so it flows nicely into the fat sand?
It does. It had to be, the top of the tank had to be below the point on the roof, and we measure that, and that works out perfectly.
That location works well.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's that thing, there's always choices, and the good thing is there seems to be a range of solutions now.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We're really happy with the solution.
If you're looking for a solution for your stormwater management, go to tanks.co.nz.